to treat adverb in Igbo language. So, and we are still on Nkeja, so parts of speech. If you were not there when we started, you can go back to the video and watch what we discussed on parts of speech, how many they are and what they are used for. So, and we started, explaining them one after the other, and I think we've treated them preposition, we've treated noun, we've treated verb, and yesterday, we also treated pronoun. So today we are going to treat adverb in Igbo language. So just stay tuned and don't forget to like the video, don't forget to share the video so that others will also partake in today's lecture, okay? And if you've not watched any of our videos on this Nkeja also, please, I wish after this video you can go back and watch them so that you'll be able to understand it very, very well. Nkeja is very, very important to each and every one of us, not even only those that doesn't even know how to speak Igbo, even those that think they know how to speak Igbo, but they can't speak it very well. For instance, most of us, when they are speaking Igbo, they will always add English to it. So if you go through this Nkeja also very well, you'll be able to know that most times you will be able to speak English, Igbo, sorry, without adding a bit of English in it. So that's why it's very, very useful. So today we are going to treat adverb in Igbo language. And what is adverb in Igbo language? Adverb in Igbo language simply means Nkwuwa. Nkwuwa. And what does it do in a sentence? Ọ na-enye aka na-akọwa otu ihe siri dịrị ma ọ bụ otu ihe si mee. It helps to explain how things happened or how things are. A ga-enye amụmatụ ndị ụfọdụ ndị nke anyị ma ọ ndị nke anyị ji ebe a. There are a lot of them, but we are going to give just a very brief examples of them, the ones we have at hand now. So otu n'ime ha bụ now. Now. Ugbu a. Ugbu a. Ma ọ bụ kịta. Enwe ndị na-asụ kịta, ndị Anambra na-asụ kịta. Ma Igbo nzube, general Igbo ugbu a. Only. 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 Naanị. Naanị. Ma ọ bụ sọọsọ. Sọọsọ. Quickly. Quickly. Ọsịsọ. Ọsịsọ. Ọ ngwa ngwa. Ọsịsọ ma ọ bụ ngwa ngwa. Ngwa ngwa. Sometimes. Sometimes. Mgbe ụfọdụ. Mgbe ụfọdụ. Mgbe ụfọdụ. Sometimes. Mgbe ụfọdụ. Sometimes. Mgbe ụfọdụ. Very well. Very well. Ọfụma. Very well. Ọfụma. Tonight. 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 Oh. Tonight. N'abalị a. N'abalị a maọbụ n'abalị tata. Tonight, n'abalị a maọbụ n'abalị tata. Very much. Very much. Rienne. Rienne. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Echi. Tomorrow. Echi. Together. Together. Jikọta ọnụ maọbụ ọnụ. Jikọta ọnụ. Jikọta ọnụ. Today. Today. Tata. Taa maọbụ tata. Slowly. 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 Nwayọ. Slowly. Nwayọ. Slowly. Nwayọ. Yesterday. 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 Ụnyaahụ. Ụnyaahụ. Yesterday. Ụnyaahụ. Yesterday. Ụnyaahụ. Ozigbo. 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 Immediately. Immediately. Ozugbo. Immediately. Ozugbo. Immediately. Just like I told you before, there are so many of them. There are a lot of them. Always. Sorry. Always. Mgbe niile. Mgbe niile. Mgbe niile. So there are so many of them. If we start listing them today, we will not close this live streaming. So there are a lot of them. A lot of them are there. So these adverbs are used to explain how things are or how things are being done. So for instance, we'll use one or two to make a sentence, and then I'll now give you as an assignment to use the other ones to make a sentence. For instance, ugbua. Noun is ugbua. Ugbua. Noun, ugbua. Now, let's make a sentence with ugbua in Igbo language. Ana m eri nri ugbua. Ana m eri nri ugbua. I am eating now. I am eating now. Ana m eri nri ugbua. Only. Naanị ma ọ bụ sọsọ. Naanị ma ọ bụ sọsọ. Ọsọsọ ihe ị na-enye m. Ọsọsọ ihe ị chọrọ inye m. Ọsọsọ ihe ị chọrọ inye m. In English, is that the only thing you want to give me? Is that the only thing you want to give me? Or so ihe chọrọ inye m? Quickly, ọsịsọ maọbụ ngwa ngwa. Go and do your homework quickly. Go and do your assignment quickly. Ọsịsọ maọbụ ngwa ngwa. Ọsịsọ maọbụ ngwa ngwa. Gaa mee ọrụ ụlọ gị ngwa ngwa maọbụ ọsịsọ. Gaa mee ọrụ ụlọ gị ngwa ngwa maọbụ ọsịsọ. Your home assignment. You can have an office assignment. Ọrụ ụlọ ọrụ gị is an office assignment. You can have a home assignment or homework. Ọrụ ụlọ gị. You can have a school assignment. Ọrụ school gị. So anything assignment is ọrụ. Assignment or ọrụ. Ọrụ ị na-arụ. Ọwụ nke ụlọ. Ọwụ nke ụlọ ọrụ. Maọbụ ebe ọbụla. Enwe ndị na-arụ ọrụ ụlọ ụka. That is their church assignment. The assignment they have in the church. So ọrụ ụlọ gị bụ home assignment. Sometimes, mgbe ụfọdụ. Sometimes, mgbe ụfọdụ. Sometimes, mgbe ụfọdụ. Ana m eji moto. Ana m eji ụgbọala aga ụlọ akwụkwọ mgbe ụfọdụ. Ana m eji ụgbọala aga ụlọ akwụkwọ mgbe ụfọdụ. Here in English, sometimes I go to school with car. Sometimes I go to school with car. Ana m eji ụgbọala aga ụlọ akwụkwọ mgbe ụfọdụ. Ọfụma. Very well. Ọfụma. You did it very well. Ị mere ya ọfụma. You did it very well. Ị mere ya ọfụma. Tonight, n'abalị a. Tonight, n'abalị a. Tonight, n'abalị a. Aga m akpọ ya. Aga m akpọ ya. Aga m akpọ ya n'abalị a ka ọ bịa siela m nri. Aga m akpọ ya n'abalị a ka ọ bịa siela m nri. Aga m akpọ ya n'abalị a ka ọ bịa siela m nri. I will call her or I will call him tonight to come and cook for me. I will call her or I will call him tonight to come and cook for me. Aga m akpọ ya n'abalị a ka ọ bịa siela m nri. Just like the one we did yesterday, we are able to, give examples of pronoun. And I told you that pronoun of he, she, and it, yeah. N'asụsụ Igbo, yeah. But in English language, it is differentiated whether it's a man or a woman or, or a thing. But in Igbo language, it's not like that. Yeah, boya. Unless you want to then call the name of the person or the name of the thing or whatever to differentiate it. So another one is very much. Rienne. I think I'll just stop at tonight in making the sentences so that we can be able to. I don't want the video to be too long. So let me just call them back. Then you can be able to make sentences with each and every one of them. If you have any question, don't hesitate to write at the comment section. I will be able to answer your questions. Okay? Very much. Rienne. Tomorrow. Echi. Together. Jikọta ọnụ. Today. Ta. Maọbụ tata. Slowly. Nwayọ. Yesterday. Ụnyaahụ. Ozigbo. Immediately. Always, mgbe niile. So we are ending the lecture here. And I thank you all for your active participation. And I wish you all a happy and a lovely week ahead. So thank you so much and stay tuned until this weekend for another interesting topic on Nkejasusu. We are still going to treat Nkejasusu until we are through with all of them, okay? So thank you so much and good night. Bye-bye.